What I want to do is work together on a couple more, and other things will come up. And then what I want to do is let you try and work a couple more yourself, and so forth. So let's try one more fairly easy one. But this time let's work together by making suggestions. And if you've already worked a lot of them, try and let somebody else make the suggestions, okay? Let's see, I think I'll work on the second one on the first page, the one next to the one we just worked. Again, that's blurry, isn't it? Okay. So, okay, so what was I heard an idea about the bottom row? Oh, let's put in the easy ones. I have a little cheat thing that'll fill. If it's obvious, it'll fill them in. So yeah, I can get. I'll do the 4 and 2. I'll start you out. So what can we do with that bottom row? We're missing a 1 and a 3, so that's 4 of the 6. So what does that tell us? Have to get a 2 here, right? Okay. What else we got? Let me show you another technique that's sometimes useful, and that is when you have some information about what goes in a square, but you may not know exactly what's going on. Like, let's say in this square, for the 2 times, what do we know about that? It's a 1 and a 2, but right now we don't know the order, so it could be a 1 or a 2 in either one. So it's sometimes useful. Can you read that?
Yeah.
These are, I write down in little tiny marks at the bottom the possibilities, and so these are the only possibilities are in some order. I don't know where they go yet, but this may be a useful thing to work with later. And so that, since we've got a 1 and a 2 and a 4, this guy had better be a 3. So I can do what? Right, we've got the 3 actually breaks open this whole box, right? At first, because you say there's 3 of the 10, meaning I've got to get 7, and how do you make 7 out of the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4? There's only one way to do it, right? 3 and 4, and it's pretty determined how those are going to go, because the 3 can't go here, so the 3 has to go up here. 3, and that has to be a 4, and now there's an easy one. The 1, up. So we've got a 3 and 4 in this fourth column, 3 and a 4, but we've got a 3 that eliminates, this 3 here in the 10 eliminates the possibility of a 3 here, so this has to be the 3, and this has to be the 4. Okay?
You only have one row where there's not a 4, and one column where there's not a 4.
Right, and same with 3, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's another thing. If you've got a 3 in every in n minus 1, in n minus 1 of the rows, the missing row and column has to hold the 3, and so we've got 3 3s already. We know there's some place. We just find the row and the column that's missing the 3, and that's this one, right? It's the 3rd column, the 4th row. That's so a 3 here, and we also have 3 4s. So that means the 4 has to be in the same row and column, and now things just falls apart. You put a 1 here, that forces this to be a 2, this forces that to be a 1, and now these are just missing numbers, the 2 here and the 1, and we've got it.